Okay, we're going to be doing a cost roll-up on this part number right here. And it's sub-assemblies, so the 30 dash and the 1939 dash. And we're going to do Rev C. Alright, so we have to go to Production, Engineering, General Setup, Costing Workbench. And here you enter your initials and today's date, like 05, 04. You want to keep it consistent, so 05, 04, A, because I already did one earlier. Hit OK. Cost roll-up. Since I am doing it for the demi plant, we want to do the demi plant. If you're doing for 1210, you want to do it for 1210, for Fremont, CIS. So you want to be in the same plant you did the update on. Okay, so here we go, 5.4. If we had updated the alternate method, and that's what we want to cost roll, we select load alternate method. It will pick up the demi alternate method. If we have cost lot sizing, you want this checked. If you don't, then you leave it unchecked. We want the demi plant. It gets checked automatically again. Everything else is standard. Hit OK. Actions, lowest cost details. Now everything here is default OK. We're going to get the part that we want to cost roll up. Control V. So we're going to get this part number first. Then we're going to get the 30 part number. And then we'll get the 1939 part number. Alright, I'll just open this up a little bit so we can see what it is. Yep, that's good. Hit OK. And we can just hit process. It takes about 2 seconds. 1, 2, and it's good. Close this. Next, we want to refresh the cost details as well as the purchase parts. Everything's default. Click OK. Alright, you can click save if you want. You can go to cost. So this is important. You're going to verify with the cost of things, right? So go to search. Click on search. So here are all your part numbers. So select all. Hit OK. Notice that they have cost already, which is good. Go to purchase parts, search, search. Next 100. Select all. Click OK. Now, what you want to do here is sort by standard material and scroll all the way up and look for anything that has a 0. So for example, your tie wrap, right? It has 0 cost in it. Say if you want to add a cost to it, say some other part, this GX wire, right? It was 0. You want to change that, so you can change it here. For example, you can put 0.0001, right, or 01. Hit tab. So this will change the cost rollup for this part number on this cost rollup only. If you want to change the cost rollup for future ones, you have to make a cost adjustment on this part. So for example, you would highlight this whole part and you would go to the EPICOR Inventory Management, Inventory Management, Journal Operations, Cost Adjustment. Enter it here, and I'm going to put, it costs $1 now, right? $1. The reason is initial. I don't believe we have one here, but I'll just put the standard cost roll up. Hit save. So now that cost of $1 is set there for next time. So click close. Go back here. I'm going to change this to $1. Whoops. $1 as well for standard material. So I'm good now. You can hit save. So now what we're going to do is roll it up. Everything should be good here. Since we have sub-assemblies, and a sub-assembly has standard cost, standard material, and standard burden, right? It's two separate. We want to treat it separately, so we want to uncheck this. If you want to take it as one value, so if it was $5 and $10, I want it separated that way, 5 and 10. But if you just want it as one value, you click on this, and it'll be $15. So now that we're done with this, click cost rollup, submitted. We can hit refresh. Everything's gone. Okay, now that we did the cost rollup, we want to post it. So go to Actions, Post. Everything should be, again, default. Here it's standard cost rollup. Reprocess it. Takes a couple seconds. 1, 2. Close this. We can hit refresh again. Here it says posted. We're good. So go to cost, search. We're going to get everything again. Just for fun. Next 100. Select all. Click OK. Whoops. Oh, the tie wrap. I put it $1, right? So I just want to make sure it's still $1. There's your tie wrap right there, still $1, which is good. Your manufactured parts. I think this is just telling you that these are the ones that have changes. So let's go, we're good. So click on this one, open with part transaction history. Here's your cost rollup. We're going to open this up a little bit more. Go to the right, and there you see my username. I did it. A standard cost rollup in Deming. And there are your cost rollups. I can go back here, go to the next one, changes, retrieve. There's your new values again. Standard cost rollup, Miguel. Click next part number, retrieve, and there is your cost rollup again. And you're good. Now you can just close cost rollup, and we are done.